Alright, so today's video is going to be super quick. We're just going to be installing the new StreetAero end plates that we got for our newly painted wing. All we really got to do is just drill some holes to mount them up, and then I think we're going to be doing a giveaway on them as well. So make sure that you keep up to date on my Instagram. It's at Fialko. I'm going to be posting a picture once this video goes up, and we're probably going to give away a set of these to one of you guys that wants them. Obviously, if you have a wing, you should probably get them rather than someone who doesn't, but you could always use them in the future. So keep a lookout for that post, and then we will be picking a winner within the next couple of days. We're going to go ahead, drill these holes, mount them up, and that's pretty much going to be it. See if that'll look good. Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
It's
not long enough?
Looks good.
Spiders?
Get what?
Should do a raw edit video where you don't edit the video at all.
Yeah, I mean, I probably could, but it'd be so boring, I feel. Something like this could definitely be, but... maybe I'll do that with like the shop. I was gonna film the shop yesterday. So of course this is trying to be a quick install. We didn't have the right bolts. The bolts that we used previously were too short because this is a thinner material, and then the sockets they're like riv nuts that are inside the wing they only have like so much depth you can go into, so we couldn't use the longer ones that we already had. So I went and got them black ones too, just because I didn't think the silver looked all that great. So pretty much just some bolts and we're gonna be done. Too tight, but way less flimsy than the other ones. The only flex is because there's only 2 bolts, but I think it looks a lot better with black. Damn, looks good. Looks so aggressive.
Come on, focus. Jeez.
Just wait till we get out on like a sunny day.
Yeah.
Anyways, I think this really kind of ties in the rest of the whole wing, and now we can stop worrying about that and start going to some of the interior stuff, which we will have in the next video. Watch out on my Instagram for the giveaway on these things if you are interested. I will also post the link to my Instagram in the description. Anyways guys, that's gonna be it for today. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and peace out.